Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your InDesign pages as well as navigating through the interfaces. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you'll want to go to File over here. You'll want to go to File, New, Document, and the first time you open InDesign is when this box will pop up. So the first thing you can do is you can go and select Print, and it'll give you all these already preset blank documents as well as these different templates. For now, just stay in Letter, and then you can also change your name of the document to whatever you need. And then this button over here, after you're done setting all of your orientation and units up, as well as the height and width of your document, you can press this button to save it as a preset. So next time you go in and you want to use this same type of layout in a document, it's already saved in InDesign for you. So you can also change your units in here. It's automatically going to be set to picas, but you can change it to inches, millimeters, centimeters, pixels, and whatever you want. You can also change your orientation, as well as your page numbers. So I'm just going to set it to 2 for now. And then whenever you change your units, this width and height will change as well, so you can custom change those. You can also check or uncheck the facing pages box, and if you have it checked, it'll create a layout, like a book layout. That way you can see 2 pages at the same time. So once you have all of this set up, you can press Create, and it has created this interface for you. To show you the actual book layout, I'm going to go ahead and add another page. Since this is kind of the title page, this is where your book pages will actually start. So to add another page, you can go to Layout, Pages, and then Add Page, and it creates that book layout for you. If you want to change any of these presets or setup that you've made, you can go to File, and then Document Setup, and you can change it here. And then all of your information that you've set will be over here, and you can adjust those as well. Also, if you notice that your the changes that you've made are not showing up on this master's page or your title page, you can go to the page panel and then press this tab and select Apply to Master's page, and it'll apply whatever pages to that page as well. And then to add a page number, you're going to want to insert a text box anywhere where you want the page number to appear and start at your master's page, which this layout will appear in your pages panel. And then insert that text box wherever you want that page number to appear. And then go to Type, Insert, Markers, and Current Page Number. Okay. You can also zoom in and out by pressing Control plus or Control minus. And then you can also navigate between the pages using this bar at the bottom, and you can select what page you want to go to, and it'll take you to that page as well. If your ruler on top isn't showing up, you can press Control R for it to show up, and you can press Control bar to hide it. You can then also adjust the units on this ruler by right-clicking on this box up here and just changing the units to whatever you want. I'm going to change it to inches. And then you can also preview whatever changes you've made by going to this panel over here and right-clicking on this bottom icon and pressing preview. It'll show you how the pages will appear when printed. So then we can go back to normal. You can also create guidelines whenever you want to place images or text. That way they fall exactly where you want them to. And to do that, you can go to Layout, create guidelines, and you can adjust the number of how many guidelines you want. So I'm just going to add 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, and then you can simply click and drag to wherever you want those to go. If you want these guidelines, like if you just wanted one that spanned across all the pages, you can press Control and then drag, and it'll span across both pages. And you can really just set these up wherever you want. And then to apply it to your master's page as well, you can just scroll up and make sure you're on this on your master's page, and then follow the same steps again to insert those guidelines. You can also check the preview box to make sure they're appearing. And if they're not, you can always go to the Pages panel and then press this box up here and make sure you press Apply to Master's Page. And you can set these up however you'd like. And that's how you navigate and set up your document in InDesign.